Welcome to the ITN New Hire Quick Start training. In this course, you'll learn the foundational steps you need to quickly get started posting jobs and managing applicants through the hiring process. You'll also learn how to easily find step-by-step help resources for more advanced topics. In the first scenario, we'll follow along with James, the recruiter, as he posts a job listing for an open position. Next, we'll join James as he moves candidates through the hiring process and works with the hiring manager, Cindy, to schedule interviews and communicate with the candidates until the right hire is found to fill the position. Let's get started with some basic tips for navigating in the ITN Hire platform.